LS powered
FC. That's right. So of course on the left-hand side, he will lead the way. The FCRX7, huge horsepower, big angle. Of course, Andrew Redward. He'll be going up against the Nissan New Zealand Nismo R35 Skyline. Darren Kelly. Who's it going to be?
All right, place your bets now. Live stream. Hit a like button for Andrew Redward. Hit a love heart button for Darren Kelly. We're going to go for the live.
Left-hand side, of course, Darren Kelly, as they both creep up to the start line. Andrew Redward will lead the first time. They've been given the nod. They're ready to go. Here we go. Nankang FCRX7. Andrew Redward calling the angle king. You can see why as he comes through this first section here at Wellington Speedway. Big switch time and snappy as can be. Oh, it's a huge mistake for Darren Kelly. He won the last round at Tauranga, but he has made a monumental error coming out into that teardrop section. He's going to try his best. Oh, I thought that Andrew Redward is about to over-rotate his car, holds onto it, keeps his angle, and no, he's just the angle king, isn't he? So look, there we go. So it's the second half of the battle here. It's going to be Darren Kelly that leads. He needs a huge mistake from Redward, or his second round is over. Hard to do it from the front to force a mistake. Redward's going to know exactly what to do, and off they go side by side and sideways. He's hoping that R35 comes through. Going to chuck in a big switch. He needs a mistake from Andrew Redward, but it's not coming. Redward happy to hang out in the smoke trail of that R35 Skyline. Half the horsepower, sets himself, lays up to take the final turn. Please, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Darren Kelly, but myself, I am saying that is not going to be enough. Anticipation. One strike, Andrew Redward. Two strike, Andrew Redward. The third, clean sweep, Andrew Redward.